Hello everyone. Today I am bringing you a questions related with the arithmetical mean and geometrical mean. This is very important questions for the students, those who are of class 12th or 11th of UP board, CBSE board or ICSE. Whatever the type of the board is, you have to take the interest in this. This at least secure at least 4 or 5 marks in the examinations. The question is that if A1, A2 are two arithmetical mean and geometrical mean, G1, G2 are the two geometrical mean inserted between two positive numbers A and B. Find the value of A1 plus A2 upon G1, G2. If A1, A2 are two arithmetical means and G1, G2 are two geometrical mean, they are inserted in between A and D. A and B. It means we are having two positive real number A and B. This is for arithmetical mean. We have inserted two arithmetical mean A1 in between this and A2. Okay. And in second case, between A and B, we have inserted two geometrical mean G1 and G2. Now we have to find the value of A1 plus A2 upon G1, G2. What is the value of this? Now, please, first of all, we have to take the case of arithmetical mean. If let us suppose that common difference before inserting this A and B, common difference is equal to D. It means when we insert this in between this common difference will be divided into three portions. It means that A1, A2 and B. This was the distance equal to D. Now it will become D by 3. This become D by 3. This become D by 3. It means difference between A1 and D, this will be D by 3. Originally D was B minus A. This was the original. This was the original D. This was the original D. Okay. And now it had reduced to this one. It means that if our first term is A in this case, for the arithmetical mean I am saying, if our series become that A1 will be equal to A plus D by 3. Correct? That will be equal to A plus D was B minus A by 3. It means this will equal to 3 times A plus B minus A upon 3, that is 2 times A plus B by 3. This will be the value of A1. Okay, very nice. Everything is very much okay, so that it is to be blocked. This is the value of A1. Now we have to find the value of A2. A2 will be what? A2 is the first and second, third term. It means it is AD, it is A2 will be equal to A plus 2 times D by 3. Okay, that is equal to A plus D by 3 is equal to what? D was equal to B by A upon 3 into 2. This will be equal to 3 times A plus 2 times B minus 2 times A upon 3. And this will be equal to 3 times 2 A. This will be A plus 2B by 3. This will the value of A2. Okay, this is to be also noted. Note it down. This is the value of A2. Now A1 plus A2 will be equal to, now A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2. This will be equal to this plus this. 2 times A plus B by 3 plus a plus 2 times b by 3. This is equal to 380. It will be equal to a plus b nat. This will be the value of a1 plus a2. a1 plus a2 will be equal to a plus b simply. It will be simply equal to a plus b. Now, this is very important. Number 1, this is to be determined first of all because a1 plus a2 will be equal to a plus b. Now our aim is to find the value of g1, g2. Now I am going here in the portion. Here is the condition that g1, g2 are the two geometrical mean that are inserted in between a and b. So that the condition will be in such a way so that g1 upon a, this will be equal to g2 upon g1 is equal to b upon g2. Isn't this? Of course. We have to bring g1, g2. Then this is g1. Or we first of all take these two. These two under consideration. We'll take these two under consideration. Then we'll get here g1 square. This is equal to a g2. Okay. Now if we consider these two, from here we get multiply g2 will be g2 square. This will be equal to g1 into b. This is first and this is second. Now please multiply 1 into 2. Multiply both the side, right hand side with right side, left hand side with left hand side. We'll get g1 square into g2 square. This will be equal to a into g1, b into g2. a g2 into b g1. Okay. That is equal to ab into g1 g2. Now g1 g2 get cancelled. So that simple g1 g2 will be equal to a into b. This is the last and final. This is the numerator. This was the important one and this is the important 2. Now we can find the value of a1 now. a1 plus a2 upon g1 plus g2. This will be equal to what? a1 plus a2 is equal to a plus b and g1 into g2 is equal to ab. This is the answer. Answer is a plus b upon ab. Clear? Is it clear? I think it is very much clear to you. Thanks for watching my video and give me so much long time. I'm very thankful to you. And keep watching my video. Remain in touch with me. I'm having at least 800 videos there in my on my channel. Somewhat they are related with the courses of 12th class onward. Sorry, up to 12th, from 9th onward. So that please you can have different topic from my channel. Search it, enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.